Since we know that it takes some energy to melt water or boil it, and it also takes some energy to bring it up to its melting point or bring it up to its boiling point or take it beyond its boiling point, we should be able to do the entire calculation of taking some ice that's below freezing and heat it up all the way to above boiling. Here's the 5 steps involved. 1, bring it up to its melting point. 2, melt it. 3, bring it up to its boiling point. 4, boil it. And 5, bring it beyond its boiling point. When we have to change the temperature, let's use the appropriate specific heat, ice, water, or steam. That's liquid water there. When we have to change phases, here it is to melt it, here it is to boil it per gram. And don't forget, we have 18 grams. Let's go ahead and punch it all in. First, we got to bring it up to its melting point. So that is a Q equals MC delta T problem. What is M? 18 grams. In fact, it will be for every single step here. C, make sure you choose ice right there. And delta T is 20 degrees. Punch it in, that'll give you joules. It does require 334 joules to melt it, and we have 18 grams. That is 334 joules for each gram. That's 6,000 joules. Now let's bring it up to its boiling point. So we'll use 4.184 for our C since it's liquid at that point. We got to go up the entire 100 grams for that 18 grams, punching it in, canceling your units. Should show you that takes over 7,000 joules. Once it's at 100 degrees, it will boil, and that'll cost us 2260 joules per gram. We got 18, or 1 mole, by the way. And that is the one that costs the much, which might surprise you at first, but don't forget you're boiling it down until there's nothing left in the pot. Even the steam itself can be heated up, and we need to go a final 10 degrees, Q equals MC delta T for gaseous water, which is 2.01 joules per gram degree Celsius. Still have 18 grams. The delta change given in the problem is 10 degrees. That's not much. Add them all up, and you'll find it took 55.3 kilojoules to do that. Is that a lot? Let's compare it to nutritional calories, something you're probably familiar with. There's 4,184 joules in a nutritional calorie, so that reduces it a lot. And we're only talking about the energy in perhaps a potato chip or two. To heat 18 grams of water from -20 all the way up to 110.